70 मिनट है हमारे पास तुम्हें ये बताने के लिए कि 2007 की पिक्चरें इतनी खास क्यों थी।
पता नहीं ऐसी डेंजरस सिचुएशन में अपने आप आगे कैसे आ जाता।
मिरेकल।
तो बमन मेरा नाम एक बार बमन है।
हाँ तो एक बार बमन। देखिए आपका पहला इंजन खराब हो चुका है
और दूसरा इंजन चालू है।
चालू है।
नहीं मेरा मतलब चालू कंपनी का है, अभी चल रहा है, कभी भी बंद हो सकता है। वेलकम ब्रो विजय राज क्रेजी।
Welcome to Pop Conversation. I'm Adrish Akkar, joined by
Snail Aneja
and
Abbas Mohammed.
And today we are talking about the year that was 2007 in Bollywood films, and why it was one of the best years. If any of you were to open your Google right now,
I swear,
and just
dude.
go down the list of fucking amazing, awesome, classic Bollywood films that released that year, it would be mind blown. कि 2007 में ऐसा क्या हो रहा था यार कि सबने जड़ी बूटी खा ली
भाई
थी?
2007
सभी
में
शीलाजी
मैं बताता हूँ भाई 2007 में धोनी कैप्टन बन गया था एंड इंडिया अपना पहला T20 वर्ल्ड कप भी जीता था।
So the problem is रोहित शर्मा। इसलिए हमारी पिक्चरें अभी इतनी घटिया हैं क्योंकि रोहित शर्मा कैप्टन।
It was also the year in which in the 50 over World Cup India got knocked
मनहूस
out,
बातें क्यों करना चाह रहे हो तबे? Let's look at the brighter side. Now we're talking about good things of 2007.
we won the T20 World Cup.
Yes, Thala for a reason.
What's his name? Shrikant. No, Shrikant was batsman. Arey, the fast bowler who got into match fixing, bro.
Shrishant
caught the
What the
catch.
fuck, dude? How did you manage to pinpoint the darkest
and Shrishant? Very similar names.
नहीं मतलब the fact that हमने अभी सारी अच्छी बातें करी like इस पूरे सिनेरियो में एक मनहूस बात क्या हो सकती
क्योंकि
है
यार मेरा फेवरेट प्लेयर राहुल द्रविड़ हुआ करता था and he was the captain of that side, the 50 overs.
हाँ तो वो तो हम भाई बांग्लादेश से हार के बाहर हुए थे भाई।
हाँ, I know.
फिर उसके बाद कैप्टेंसी शिफ्ट हुआ था।
Anyway, yes, the movies were great.
How do we plan to go forth in this episode? Like, how do we plan to go ahead? How do we plan to do this?
Do we want to like give full disclosure that we were trying कि भाई हम लोग कुछ ऐसा एक थ्रेड निकाल दें पिक्चरों का कि भाई कैसे है कि बट भाई हर हफ्ते बैंगर रिलीज हुआ है 2007 में अभी नहीं अभी तो नहीं 1.5 साल हो गया बैंगर रिलीज हुआ
यहाँ पे now there's only one banger
and 2 bangies.
Why?
Just to be clear, yeah, he's not banging us.
What the fuck?
Yeah, totally. We have a threesome after every recording.
That's why I do these episodes.
At Antariksha's house.
Yeah.
Does your family watch this? I hope
They
not.
watch this part of our recording. The later part, they
don't.
You know, by the way, there is such a show that exists.
What?
There is a show called, man, this is gonna be very horny talk. Take it out if you want. There is a show called, you know this?
Ryan something.
No, there's a show called, there's literally a YouTube show called The Plug Talk. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Where it's this dude with his wife called, her porn name is Lena the Plug. Okay?
Oh,
so these guys
I know she had a podcast.
so these guys are porn actors and content creators on YouTube. So
Right,
what they do is they will record an episode, like the husband and the wife, with a guest who's usually a porn star as well, like always a porn star as well. That's the they talk about if they've done scenes where they talk about that, talk about like what being in the industry is like, if they have any like beef in the industry and all whatever. And then if you want to see the rest
the
of
YouTube
what they do,
show.
the YouTube show ends,
there.
and the rest, the full episode you can watch on
is
porn,
on OnlyFans or whatever.
OnlyFans or whatever. Yeah.
Wow, dude. I not even pretending I had zero clue about
We know what Snail's YouTube search tonight is.
By
Pornhub search and YouTube search. When do your Pornhub search and YouTube search are the same? I don't know if it's a good thing or not.
zero bloody clue. इससे पहले मैं KRK के reviews देख रहा था YouTube पे.
So
Yeah, he jerks off with that. Oh yes.
yeah.
Budhao.
Budhao.
Wait, just because I did this, will YouTube like not show the algorithm will
मैं
shadow ban
एडिटर
this?
को बोलूंगा कैमरा स्विच कर देगा भाई.
ये blur कर देना भाई.
मैं बोलूँगा
इसलिए मैंने ये चीज 4 बार और करके दिखा दी. अरे अब्बास.
I'll tell the editor to put a middle finger attached to Abbas's hand so it looks like okay, fuck all of this stuff. You're now gonna blur all our hands every time we do any action. Alright, so how we're gonna go about this is basically we're gonna talk about what, so we should go down firstly the list. Sorry, that came out wrong. We should go down the list. We should go down the list of movies. Like
See,
at
we
least
are single,
to some
so
extent.
like we.
Why are we still talking about this? We can just, just continue.
Let it pass.
We can
now,
just
bro.
continue, Abbas,
Yeah.
dude. What the
Okay,
hell?
fine.
No, but what are you saying?
I was saying me and him are single, so if we talk about like the horny shit, I understand. You're like recently married, so why are you going
yeah,
down
dude.
on
So
things?
I don't get horny anymore.
What is this?
Anyway.
What is indirect marriage joke की शादी के बाद?
Okay, alright.
A film that came out in 2007 was also Nishabd, a very horny movie. Continue.
It's not a horny movie at all.
I mean, it's supposed to be.
it is not supposed to be.
It is. It's based on Lolita.
Also,
old
Snehal,
man.
whatever turns you on might be different from someone else, dude. You don't know. Yeah. For me, fucking Hey Baby is a horny movie. Hey Baby actually is a horny movie. Sorry. Yeah, that's the whole movie.
It's about a baby. Let's not go
No,
there.
hey, it's not about a baby. It's about three
It's
men,
also about Vidya
womanizers.
Balan.
Yeah, correct. The baby is the baby.
Yeah, the
yes,
baby is
correct.
Vidya Balan. Correct.
Hey, baby. Okay, let's just fucking. This is so off the rails.
Sorry.
So what we're gonna do is gonna talk about. So we'll go down the list of movies,
Yes.
that released in the year 2007 and blow your minds as to which all is fucking amazing.
You are purposely
Oh, yeah,
doing
yeah,
this
just choice of words.
You're just purposely doing this at this point.
And
Make you explode
yeah.
with pleasure. Of movie watching.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, sure. And
मैं तभी कह रहा था डिस्कस कर रहे थे.
these orgasmic films that you watched in the theater.
But what was your favorite film of 2007? Like out of all the films that we've seen
Wow,
on.
that's a good question.
Dude, Welcome.
Really?
Welcome.
Bhai,
right up
you
there.
have literally on the podcast said that Welcome does not make sense.
Yeah, क्योंकि
But
steering wheel
dude,
हाथ में
हाँ.
आ जाता है.
But I still always preface it by saying that it's a fantastic film that I love. But again, I always say it has no business working, but it does.
So you prefer Welcome over Chak De?
Yeah, dude. Chak De is great, but Welcome is a much more rewatchable film.
100%.
That's usually the case with comedies. So that's why I
Chuck
prefer
is
the
also
comedy.
very rewatchable.
Yeah, but as much as Welcome, as the inside jokes, you can watch it with your family every day. Chak De is not something you can put on every night with dinner. And all
That's
that.
true. Yeah, you know, I got hate for the Hazard Agewell episode of Chuck De because my criticism was that the second half has too much hockey. And people are like, hockey picture में too much hockey क्या होता है? Hockey नहीं होगा तो और क्या होगा?
Fair
Bro,
criticism.
अगर
bhai.
हॉकी नहीं होता तो बोलते हॉकी नहीं है पिक्चर में.
हाँ बोलते कि अरे
You'll never be happy or a bus.
Exactly,
मतलब
yeah.
what the fuck up bus.
No, I am happy.
83 वर्ल्ड कप में पिक्चर देखने जाओगे मतलब
Too much
क्रिकेट बहुत
cricket.
था.
Yeah, too much Kapil Dev.
बहुत क्रिकेट था.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Anyway, what's your favorite 2007 film?
धमाल.
Really?
fantastic.
Bro, I love Dhamal.
Again, very rewatchable.
Very
Again and again.
rewatchable. Javed Jafri मतलब I cannot even single out Javed Jafri in this. I think
Arshad,
everybody
dude.
was so
हाँ तो,
good.
बमन.
भाई विजय राज, संजय दत्त,
Yeah.
उसमें भाई
भाटिया जी जो पायलट होता है जो
हाँ,
बढ़ जाता है जो फिर
मनोज पावा.
मनोज पावा.
फ्लाइट
Yeah.
and उसके अंदर the gag where Kailash the Dhaba becomes Lash
Lash
the
da
Dhaba
Dhaba, dude.
after Sanjay Dutt beats
Dude.
everybody.
This joke is one of my mom's favorite jokes in any film ever. She remembers. She talks about this joke to other
Yeah,
people.
dude.
She
भाई
loves it.
Kailash the Dhaba becoming Lash the Dhaba is crazy.
That's
bro.
where comedy peaked for
Yeah,
me.
bro,
Yeah,
it-
yeah.
So they were limited to a few names. There was either Palash, Kailash.
कैलाश का कैग जाता है फिर वो लाश दा ढाबा हो जाता है.
But Kunal Kim also did it in Madgaon Express.
Yeah,
Vada
let's
Pav.
not go there, but okay.
What did Rocky do?
Vada Pav, there's a Vada Pav stall, and some part of it, the word before is covered. So it's the letter lo
La
in
Vada
Hindi.
Pav, okay.
I was trying not to say it, but sure, yeah.
That's great. Yeah? We don't beep it. Okay. So
अरे
let's
बात
go
करो
down.
ना.
Yeah,
मैं
sorry,
नहीं
sorry,
बताऊँ,
sorry,
मैं नहीं
sorry,
बताऊँ
sorry.
अपने मैं नहीं है.
नहीं मैं बता. इतना पूछ ही रहा है तो बता.
My favorite, I would say, is Bheja Fry because
Great.
I
Again,
saw this
excellent.
in.
किसी को चक दे नहीं पसंद आई है तो
Person, I would say it's my favorite movie.
Yeah.
Of-
You
of-
like
too much
Bheja Fry
hockey.
more than Chak De?
Yeah.
That's the same condescending way you asked me that question. Like, I'm such a dumbass, non-intellectual.
I have never done it. What bullshit, okay? But yeah, it was like it came out
छठे
of.
फ्लोर पे खड़े होके हम लोग को ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे देखते हो आप.
अभी भी देख रहा हूँ. What? Dhamal. Welcome.
मुझे तो ब्लैक फ्राइडे पसंद
Bheja
है.
Fry, guys. Bheja, Black Friday, of course.
Yeah.
But Bheja Fry came out of nowhere. Nobody expected this film starring Vinay
Vinay
Pathak
Pathak
and
and Rajat Kapoor.
Rajat Kapoor to become such a big hit. And I remember watching it. I was in Bangalore at this time and watching it with a full house who was as surprised to have discovered something as
You watched Bhaiya Friend at a full house?
Yes,
Wow.
a morning show, full
Dude,
house.
I also saw it within the first, I think, 2 weeks of it coming out, but the house wasn't as full, man.
Yeah, because maybe this was a morning show where all the college students used to come, which is cheaper
Yep.
in the multiplex. So maybe that's why also.
So
but
this was
it
the time
a lot of
when you guys were going to films more with family or more with friends? You know?
fun. We weren't the same age. I was
I was
19
10.
at this time.
I was
he
10.
was 10 years. So,
So you were obviously going with friends more.
I was going with friends or
You were
alone.
with
And
I remember going for Om Shanti Om with my mom. Like I remember.
yeah, that was a
I went with the
festival.
whole family. Yeah, I went with the whole
Yeah. Matlab,
So
मैं तो
all of us
obviously-
skipped Savaria, I get it.
No, I actually watched Savaria also with my mom, and
Oh, really?
we loved Savaria.
Even I liked Savaria,
I
Oh,
still
really?
like Savaria.
Man, I actually always saw it in parts. I've never seen Savaria full.
ओ नहीं, मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है सावरिया. आई थिंक रणबीर कपूर, मतलब वो नहीं होता कि कुछ फिल्मों को देख के आपको पता होता है कि ये बंदा सुपरस्टार है, एंड रणबीर इज दैट
Correct.
पर्सन इन
Exactly
सावरिया.
right. We were talking about it earlier that it's crazy that
2007 gave us two of the biggest stars.
Deepika and Ranbir on the
Deepika
same
on the
day.
same day.
This is ridiculous.
Crazy.
Well,
People
I mean,
are talk-
today's biggest stars.
People are talking about Barbenheimer last year, right? I'm
Yeah.
like, bro, were you around in
In
2007?
2007, dude.
For
Yeah.
Om Shantaria. Were you there for this?
Savarom.
Yes,
Savarom.
Savarom.
But
ऐसा
this,
कोई एक मिशन का नाम लग रहा है, मिशन सावरोम.
Yes, Savarom. Great. Huh?
this whole trend of big stars coming to reality shows and singing competitions to promote their
Oh, bro,
film
crazy, yeah.
started from
Yeah.
Om Shanti Om and Savaria. But yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Before this, it was very rare that people would come to promote their movies on TV shows.
On TV, yeah.
But I remember the
Oh,
publicity.
wait. You're right. So, Shah Rukh ka KBC stint was after this, or?
I'm not sure. Maybe.
Or his
नहीं, आई थिंक 2007 के बाद नहीं आया केबीसी शाहरुख का, पहले आया.
okay, so no, but all his Panchvi
Panchvi
Pass and
Pass,
all.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That was after this, right?
came
Because I remember
after
the
this.
choti wala hair and
Yeah,
the
yeah,
sunken cheeks look
Yeah.
that Shah Rukh had during that super sculpted era of his. But it was, I think, after this, right?
Yeah.
So that makes sense then. Yeah, because
But
that was the era where all these people started going
The
on this.
publicity was insane for both these films. And
पांचवी पास से तेजा was 2008. Yes.
2008, so, but when it released, obviously the verdict was very clear that Om Shanti Om was a super hit and Savaria not so much.
Savaria actually tanked on the box
tanked,
office.
Dude,
Yes.
really badly.
Farah Khan, we talked about this, I think. Farah Khan blames Savaria for Om Shanti Om not being one of the first 200 crore films during that time. Yeah, she claims.
ने ना मेरा पैसा
Correct, exactly right. She was like, there was a clash between
She might
Shah Rukh
have a
film
point, actually,
and an
yeah.
SLB film.
Yeah,
So whatever Savaria made, the difference would, if had Om Shanti Om correct, it would have been around the 200 crore mark. Is what she.
So,
फराह खान ने लास्ट कौन सी फिल्म डायरेक्ट करी है?
These.
तीस मार
no,
नहीं,
she
30
made
मार
Happy New Year.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah,
Has
Happy
she
New
made
Year.
anything after Happy New Year? Was Joker before or after Happy New Year?
Joker was Farah Khan.
That was her
The
husband,
Akshay
dude.
Kumar.
That was
Sona-
Shirish Kundar. That was Shirish Kundar. Yeah, I don't think I was Farah.
हो सकता है Happy New Year is the
And
last.
also, dude, apparently Tismar Khan, not 2007 movie, but is seeing like a whole second life right now.
Yeah. Proper cult हो गया
Yeah,
भाई.
bro.
Tismar
Where
Khan.
now people are realizing it's a parody movie ahead of
Yeah,
its time, rather than a comedy movie
Badass
behind.
before Badass.
Exactly right.
Tismar
Exactly right.
Khan walked so that Badass could run.
Exactly right, dude.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
चलो मैं makeup करके आती हूँ. Those overly exaggerated.
Yeah, bro, कोमल नाहटा का
sing scene.
ये तो French cinema
ये तो
है.
फ्रेंच सिनेमा है. इसको तो ऑस्कर जीतना चाहिए.
He did a cameo.
He did a
It's
cameo
really-
in Tismar
Oh,
Khan,
I
bro.
don't
Yeah.
remember this. Oh, that's
Yeah.
crazy, dude. Wow, what a time. Okay, coming back to 2007. So yes.
Can I
you
talk
also-
about some
Yeah, right.
surprising things that when I'm looking at the top 10 highest grossers?
Yes.
Hey Baby grossed more than Bhool Bhulaiya, Namaste London and Guru. Hey Baby was the 6th highest grossing film of that year.
So can you just go down the list of?
Sure. Should I start from
5,
bottom
yeah.
to 1 or 1,
No.
1 to
The
10?
highest two, then. second.
Okay, highest, no surprises for guessing. It's Om Shanti Om, the
Okay,
highest
sure,
grossing
sure.
movie.
वो चक दे नहीं दी.
No.
That makes sense again, dude.
हाँ ठीक है.
Number 2 is Welcome. Second highest grossing movie, out and out comedy, starring Akshay Kumar.
Ding 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 ding.
Anis Bazmi movie. Third is Chak De India. Number 4 is Partner, another comedy.
Bro, I love Partner, bro.
Partner's great.
Partner is a
it's Hitch.
very fun film.
a very
Govinda
fun film, yes.
fine, like bro, Govinda in his element.
Parallels between Partner and Hitch. both the lead actors have a history of hitting people.
Yeah, Will Smith. For a change, the Indian dude did it first.
Oh, dude. That's hilarious.
Anything else you want to say about Partner? It's a fun film.
Partners, yeah, it's alright.
Can
So
be
again,
more.
it's the whole, all the Govinda parts of the movie are very fun. Then all the Larata parts of the movie are very boring.
But
According to me.
apparently Partner
that
2 was
kid.
also in works, but
What?
Yeah.
so yeah,
Govinda fallout happened, what?
I think the fallout happened. And अभी डेविड धवन ने recently Partner 2 के बारे में कुछ अपडेट के बारे में बात करी है.
Dude, David Dhawan keeps bad mouthing Govinda. All these people
But
who work
abhi-
with Govinda love bad mouthing.
अभी recently
Because
I
he was
think
very unprofessional on set, is what I've heard. I don't know.
मतलब even I have heard that, but abhi recently I think they've started like mending ways,
हाँ.
with each other.
So, dude, and then after that,
So after
Partner
Partner is Tare Zameen Par.
dude, 1 year,
Number 5.
all 3 Khans have a super hit movie.
Yeah.
It's crazy. How much is Tare Zameen Par on?
Number 5.
It
Okay, number
it
5.
earned respect. अंतरिक्ष हमारा बागबान काउंटर था तारे जमीन पर.
Yeah.
Okay. But again, a tearjerker made into the top 5 highest grossing
Yeah.
of that year. Number 6.
Again, so 2007, I was in boarding school when these movies came out, right? This entire year.
Did you feel seen?
Dude, Tare Zameen Par, my mom, so we used to get a 7-minute phone call home every week, once a week on Saturday or Sunday. I think
भाई
Sunday.
क्या घटिया रूल है ना ये. तुम्हें अपनी
अरे,
मम्मी
अब
से
तो
जेल हो रहा है.
तुम्हें अपनी माँ से बात करनी नहीं कर सकते.
Bro, अब तो change हो
Friday
गया
को
होगा.
बात करो.
I'm pretty sure अब change हो गया होगा.
भाई
Now-
अब तो सबकी जेब में फोन है ना.
तो वही तो ना. So now it must be like you can't. They can't. Boarding school में they can't give you a phone.
And now every time they'll be like अब फिर से बात कर.
Yeah. Mom, कितना फोन करोगे यार?
पापा
Mom?
फोन करके बोला छीन लो
यार किसी लिए भेजा था हमने इसको.
मम्मी हम हफ्ते में 7 मिनट बात नहीं कर सकते. Okay, so I remember my mom getting very emotional because she had seen the movie first while she was back home, and she really missed us because both me and my brother were in the same boarding school.
And on the call she was telling Antariksh,
क्या
you know,
इतनी बुरी हूँ मैं बेटा.
नहीं, in the movie Dhamal there's this joke. Kalash, क्या word?
And like Kailash Dharawa because last Dharawa.
Sorry, I took away from that very emotional
No,
moment
it's all good.
that you were
It's all good. No,
describing.
it's easier. It's easier to handle that way.
You're a product of a boarding school. That explains so much.
But we
भाई
No,
उसको
I
सिर्फ
don't
लाइन
know.
बोलना था. उसका और कोई पॉइंट नहीं था.
No,
What is
I
that
never
episode?
knew. I never knew
we talked
this.
about it, dude.
भाई वो हर
Yeah,
पॉडकास्ट
dude.
स्टोरी में उसकी
Really?
बोर्डिंग स्कूल होता
हाँ
है.
bro, हर every
okay.
second story में
Yes,
minor boarding school.
भाई
Sorry.
मतलब
Okay, नहीं आता यार.
दर्शील सफारी वाले एपिसोड पे उसने सिर्फ यही तो किया है. तू ही बोर्डिंग स्कूल में तेरे चक्कर में मेरी मार हुई, मेरे चक्कर में तेरी मार हुई, यही चल रहा
दर्शी
है.
सवारी के एपिसोड में ये नहीं था ना.
देखा भी नहीं आपने. आप अपने एपिसोड नहीं देखते.
देखा होगा.
हाँ.
हाँ, मतलब जिसमें मैं नहीं होता नहीं. Okay, number 6, Hey Baby. Number 7, anything you want to say about Hey Baby?
Hey baby.
It's weird to me. Like Hey Baby's cultural imprint is nothing compared to Bhool Bhulaiya and Namaste London.
मैं भूल भुलैया अभी ही देख रहा था.
नमस्ते लंदन तो
आने से पहले नमस्ते लंदन तो मैंने हॉल पे देखी. भूल भुलैया मैं अभी लिटरली यहाँ आने से पहले खत्म करके आया हूँ.
Dude, I would say Hey Baby, maybe less so, but it deserves to have more of a cultural imprint. It has fallen by the wayside. So the thing is, right? Firstly, this culture of 3 starlet films is no more.
They were not starlets. I mean Akshay Kumar was a proper legit star.
So, no, star-led. I said.
Star-led. Oh,
Yeah,
अच्छा,
yeah.
मैं सोचा star-led.
Yeah, so like starlet films, like endless cameos
So it was-
in
it
that
was,
song and the Shah Rukh cameo.
It was Akshay, Ritesh and
Fardeen.
फरदीन.
एक ही star है.
Dude, but at the time, Fardeen and Ritesh were doing
Well,
decent,
Yeah, they were
yeah.
doing good enough. And Vidya
Shah
Balan
Rukh is
also,
in for
Baman
one.
Rani is there.
Baman Rani is there.
Yeah.
Vidya Balan was also. on
Vidya
the
Balan
rise.
was there.
She has
Anupam Kher.
Bhool Bhulaiya.
Anupam Kher was there.
Anupam Kher was.
I mean, he's not a star.
Anupam Kher is not a star.
No.
He's not a star, dude. He's an
यार,
actor.
He's a character actor.
Yeah.
bro.
मतलब हाँ
Very good
यार
actor.
बमन ईरानी अगर काउंट कर रहे हो तो अनुपम खेर भी तो काउंट करोगे.
No, I never
Yeah,
said
sure.
he was a star.
Yeah, but we're not saying Baman is a star.
अच्छा.
Sorry, Baman. Please come on the show. Let's talk about it. Baman Rani, if you come on the show, you'll become a star. That's the only way to do it. So yeah, I would say it deserves more of a cultural imprint, even though I
यार but
understand that.
Hey Baby is a very forgetful
Shah
sort
Rukh
of a
cameo.
film.
What sort of a film?
Forgetful sort
Yeah,
of
I
a film.
agree.
Forgettable.
It's time pass, but it's not memorable.
Sure,
Like I only remember
sure.
one joke. वो बच्चे लोखंड खाते हैं. Like इसमें आयन होता है.
That Fardeen Khan wala bit is damn funny.
मुझे
Where he's on
वो
the-
मुझे मुझे वो
the
भी
joke,
फनी लगता
the
है.
data
इसके अंदर वो मैं इसको नहीं जानता. अच्छा एक सेकंड हाँ मैं नहीं जानता इसको ऐसे करके अक्षय करता है.
There's one bit that I find really funny. That's the funniest bit according to me in the whole thing, where Fardeen Khan is on the fake date with Vidya Balan, and he's like this college professor, Sanskrit professor in wherever they are, New York or wherever they are, and who speaks in Shuddha Hindi and drives like extremely slowly. So the entire time, so there's a scene where they are all sitting in the car, Mohammed Rani sitting behind, Vidya Balan and Fardeen Khan, and Fardeen is driving extremely slow, where people can walk faster, and it's very funny. It's a very funny scene.
Okay.
Yeah.
Number 7 is Guru.
Okay.
Madhuri
I
Vikram's
still
Guru.
think
Fantastic.
Abhishek Bachchan's best work.
I would also agree.
पूरे career
I
का
love this
best
film.
work.
I love this
After Ghumar of course, but yeah.
Nice, good one, yes.
You got anything to say about Guru?
I have to say that he was the second best performance in that movie. No, I'm kidding. Abhishek, we're still friends. This film also got a boost because Abhishek and Aishwarya got married.
Married,
this year,
yeah.
A few weeks after Guru released.
And उस टाइम पे उन लोगों ने like आज तक अभिषेक ऐश्वर्या का गुरु वाला मैरिज का सीन जो है वो
It's been, what, how many? 18 years since they married?
Yeah.
क्या हो गया भाई
man.
गुस्सा हो रहा
Not
है
everybody got married last year like you, Antrik.
No, I'm just saying it's been almost close to 20 years since they've been married.
Yes.
This all happened in our lifetime. What a thing. I am just realizing we are so old. Oh my god. Just went through some existential shit right now.
Antrik just feeling like that old grateful uncle कि मैं ये सब भी देख चुका हूँ अब मेरी
Wild.
जीवन में
Wild. Yeah.
So Guru number 7. Number 8, another Akshay Kumar film, Bhool Bhulaiya,
Fantastic.
which the franchise is still going on. Number 9, another Akshay Kumar film, Namaste London.
Akshay Kumar.
Yes.
What a baller this is. Namaste London is absolutely one of my favorite
yeah
Bollywood
I agree.
films.
I agree.
Akshay Kumar films.
Actually
favorite Katrina Kaif films.
yeah
Excellent songs. Every single song is fucking excellent.
धमाल मतलब मैंने बोल तो दिया धमाल फेवरेट फिल्म है बट देन अगेन नमस्ते लंदन एंड भूल भुलैया कम वेरी क्लोज टू लाइक द टॉप स्पॉट.
And I'm just noticing, like, we yet to come to number 10. Should I just say what number 10 is?
Sure.
Yeah.
It's a little out of place from all the other films. It's Tara Rampam.
ब्रो एक सेकंड आप लोगों को मुझे समझ में नहीं आता क्यों नहीं पसंद तारा
Bro,
रंपम.
it's such a cliche, sad movie.
But it's not a sad film.
Bro, I like that all the stars that are still working today, they got like big releases. I think Ajay Devgn is the only one who I missed out on.
Yeah.
Did he have any big releases this year?
अजय also had
I'll
अजय
search.
वो नहीं अजय had मैंने अभी पढ़ा था यार अजय का.
But everyone else had like
He had
a banger.
Cash, wasn't he in Cash?
Yeah, he
was a
was in-
multi-starrer, but he was in it.
Yeah. But dude, so everyone else had a fantastic year, dude.
Yeah.
What a time.
I was saying, I just realized all 10 of these films have banger soundtracks, dude. Om Shanti Om, Welcome, Chak De India, Partner, Tare Zameen Par, Hey Baby, Guru, Bhool Bhulaiya, Namaste London, Tara Rampam.
Bro, crazy.
All these films have great songs.
What a year.
And
Can you
these are
imagine?
literally just like the top 10. There are
Yeah.
so many more films.
So just
Yeah.
from these, you can tell that this was such an enriching time creatively also
Peaked.
and commercially also.
मतलब I don't think Bollywood has had like a better year.
Probably not, yeah.
So I'm kind of formulating a theory. Okay, this is the 2000s era, right?
Yeah.
So this year, Bollywood just maybe a couple of years
A
back,
couple of years ago.
cut ties with the mafia. So now they had an influx of tax because influx of cash because they can now take loans from banks and all. That's how they got rid of the mafia and all. So they were in a position to be like, now we can make our films.
Like what we want to make.
What we want to make, like a little like तो creativity भी है,
Yeah.
commercially भी है. Okay, now they're not beholden to the
Yeah.
mafia कि नहीं अब ऐसा ही बनेगा, इसी
हाँ,
को लेना
हाँ,
है,
हाँ.
यही story बननी है मेरी, यही item number डालना है जो भी, you know, all that was happening with the mafia. Now they have a little bit of a leeway about these things. So
Yeah.
they went, dude,
All
let's
out,
take
yes.
advantage.
भाई मतलब like you can clearly see the risk that people were taking. अलग-अलग themes के ऊपर film बन रही हैं.
Bro, yeah, absolutely.
कॉमेडी का तो पीक ही लग रहा है एक तरीके से अगर आप
Rom-com का peak, bro.
रोम-कॉम ड्रामेडीज
Dude,
कितनी भाई
fantastic.
मतलब हम लोग अभी निशब्द की बात कर रहे थे. निशब्द जैसी फिल्म मुझे नहीं लगता आज के टाइम पे
Bro,
लोग
चीनी कम was this year.
चीनी कम was this year.
yeah.
Like it's obviously
What a
not
lovely
in the
film.
top 10 but what a
My
lovely
What a lovely film.
My director R. Balki's debut Hindi film.
Oh, horrible film. No, it's great. It's great.
मतलब like the scene where अमिताभ like वो एक बासमती का and he
हैदराबादी,
हाँ
ज़ाफ़रानी
पुलाव and then पूरे और चीनी का एक भी दाना नहीं. भाई क्या सीन है. एंड देन ही इज लाइक कि ये पुलाव हमेशा मैंने यहाँ से वहाँ जाते देखा है, ये वहाँ से यहाँ क्यों आ रहा है?
Yeah.
भाई यार अमिताभ when you talk about these films you see why Amitabh is where he is right now.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, not Diwar and Sholay, but
So,
Chini Kam.
so they were definitely experimenting more.
I'm kidding. No, I wanted to say this is also peak. Multiplexes are sort of making their presence felt
Yes,
around this
sure,
time, right?
sure.
So this is that perfect combination of like today Bollywood is completely corporatized. In the 90s, it was completely like you said, producer, distributor, underworld driven.
Yeah.
This is like the perfect marriage where it's getting
Creator,
corporatized,
yeah.
and you had old school writers and filmmakers. So somewhere there was a marriage between the two.
Yeah, the
right?
best of both the worlds.
Best of both worlds, yeah.
Perfect mix, कहीं का ज़्यादा नहीं, कहीं का कम नहीं.
Even if you film like Life in a Metro,
Oh, yes.
Basu's film,
Yeah.
again, it doesn't have one major star,
Yeah.
but it has Shilpa Shetty, it has Irfan Khan, it has Konkana. Music again is so
और
great.
कितनी हार्टफेल्ट फिल्म है भाई.
Yeah.
Like that scene जहाँ पे शाइनी आहूजा और शिल्पा शेट्टी आर ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म एंड शी इज लाइक यार साथ जाते हैं. लाइक मैं यूजुअली लेडीज कोच में जाती हूँ, उसके लिए आपको लेडी होना पड़ेगा सर, लेकिन आपको जनरल में जाने के लिए जेंट्स नहीं होना पड़ेगा. मतलब 2 ब्रेन सेल ना जाए शायद ये लिखने के लिए, बट स्टिल द मोमेंट, द एक्टिंग.
Bro, this was also like this year also another anthology type. So Metro, Life in Metro is not exactly an anthology,
yeah,
but it is
interconnected stories.
yeah, right.
Yeah,
that kind of
sort
like
of.
10 Kahaniyan
10 Kahaniyan.
was another movie.
Was a really good movie.
That released this year. This was a time where they were taking anthologies and all. I thought we would see more of these, but फिर सालों आए ही नहीं.
हाँ, फिर अभी I think the last anthology I remember movie wise is Ludo.
Yeah, which is also not bad. Which is actually
Now
not
the
nice.
Netflix makes them routinely, but it's like 1 or 2
Who cares about
stories will
be
be
good
good
at
out of
yeah.
the 4-5 they have. That's
But Ludo was actually quite nice. You
Okay,
watched
I
Ludo?
haven't seen Ludo.
This Abhishek was there. Aditya Roy
My
Kapoor
friend
was there.
Abhishek Bachchan, yeah.
Oh yeah, correct. He's the only one who was bad in the movie. No. Again, no. I like it.
Abhishek
I don't know. Every time you say something good
He
about
himself
him.
was shocked. 18 साल हो गए उसकी शादी को.
Abhishek was great. Actually,
हमारा
very good.
अब्बू इतना बड़ा हो गया.
Exactly, dude. When what Danna Zaruri hai, Danna Mana hai? What if before 2007?
Before
after?
2005, I think.
Because
yeah.
इस टाइम पे तो राम गोपाल वर्मा आग बना रहा था भाई.
Nishabd
Okay,
also.
this year was Aag.
This year was Aag.
So the best movies and the worst, all in the same, but the ups and downs.
अजय देवगन.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
आग अजय देवगन.
Wow, Aag. Yeah. correct.
Yes.
So I stand corrected. All the stars did have a successful year. Amitabh Bachchan was again in Chini
Gabbar.
Kam and in Aag is also.
In Aag.
This is the start of Amitabh's second
Sorry,
career.
Abhishek Bachchan in Aag sings Mehbooba, Mehbooba.
Yeah, correct. Yeah. Okay, so then, right,
Yeah.
what else was happening?
One thing that अभी जो हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, what else was happening was that हीरो फिल्म का सारी लाइमलाइट स्पॉटलाइट में नहीं था. जैसे हम लोग अभी अक्षय कुमार की फिल्म्स की बात कर रहे थे, भूल भुलैया में अक्षय कुमार लिटरली इंटरवल पॉइंट पे आता है.
Sure.
एंड ही इज लिटरली द बिगेस्ट स्टार ऑफ द फिल्म. अक्षय का सेम इज इन नमस्ते लंदन. 20-25-30 मिनट बाद आता है अक्षय कुमार.
Okay, so then I have something like, okay, let me know where you guys stand on this.
Okay.
I feel the hero ka entry, firstly now is overly done.
Yeah,
Every hero needs an entry.
मतलब हाँ,
This was,
every hero
2007 was not that kind
not
of year,
that year, yes.
right? I think that's what kind of is a factor as to why these films are good, because again, you're not giving the hero all the limelight.
Yeah,
The hero's entry is not treated as an entry.
Exactly.
He's like another character in this universe, this world that
exactly.
exists.
Story
And then he imbibes into the story.
being the front runner,
Correct.
being in the top burner. अब जैसे बावर्ची फिल्म है जो राजेश खन्ना की,
जी.
भाई उसमें भी वो 40 मिनट बाद आता है.
हाँ.
एंड राजेश खन्ना से बड़ा स्टार कौन ही हुआ है?
But the entry of the hero or the presentation of the hero matched the tone of the film. For example, Tare Zameen Par.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Aamir is introduced through Bam Bam Bole.
Bam
Bam Bam Bole.
Right, great.
And
Which is
again,
great.
so late in
So
the
late.
film.
Yeah.
But fantastic, dude. I love that song.
Which is a
Speaks so
brilliant
much.
way because you're introducing to the audience कि अब ये बंदा जो है
हाँ.
ये थोड़ा कलर लाएगा इस बच्चे की लाइफ में,
Exactly.
थोड़ा उसको समझेगा. It's not कि तारे ज़मीन पर भी पहले जूते का हुआ
Oh,
है,
of
फिर
course.
slow
Of course.
पैन हो रहा है ऊपर,
भाई वही है ना
and then
कि-
Amir is putting glares. It's not that.
और उस एंट्री में तो ऐसे यहाँ पे जोकर वाली नाक लगा रहा है आमिर, फिर वो जोकर वाला टोपी
They
पहन
could have made
रहा
a
है।
much more sinister. It could have been a much more sinister movie. It's a Joker.
इन बैकग्राउंड में कुछ आ रहा है वो
Yeah.
जोकर
मैं तुझे ठीक कर दूंगा।
What a time. So that I really miss the part about, we already talked about comedies. Okay. When was the last good comedy you saw? Like an actual
yeah.
banger. I think Madgaon Express is good for me.
Again, yeah, it's not a banger.
Yeah, even like at the time when Phone Booth came out, I thought it was very good, right?
It was
But now that you look back,
Now that, yeah, exactly, it doesn't stand up like these movies stand up.
भाई ये फिल्म में मतलब आई थिंक मैं एज आई वाज सेइंग कि मैं लिटरली अभी देख कर रहा हूँ भूल भुलैया, एंड इट इज स्टिल एज ग्रिपिंग. मुझे पता है उसके अंदर क्या, एंड अभी भी पता है, लाइक यू फाइंड आउट थिंग्स, राइट. अब जैसे आई थिंक एक बारी हम लोग पहले भी बात कर चुके हैं इस बारे में कि हाउ थिंग्स टाई बाद में जाके, कैसे वो जुड़ती हैं एक दूसरे, कैसे वो कड़ी, कितना बिल्डअप है उस चीज को लेके. जैसे वो बेड वाला जो सीक्वेंस है पहले ही सीन में, हाँ पहले ही सीन में परेश रावल जब आके पूछता है लकड़ी चोर करके, एंड देन इज लाइक इसको उठा के वहां रख दे, ही सेज महाराजा बेड है, 10-12 तगड़े पहलवान लगेंगे इसको उठाने के लिए. सेटअप वो सेटअप है जो आगे जाके जुड़ता है लिटरली फिल्म के क्लाइमैक्स में कि वो अकेली एक हाथ से उठा लेती है. अगेन इसके अंदर अब भाई मैं आज एक चीज नोटिस करी कि जब वो पहली बारी देखते हैं कि अवनी और जो उसकी जो साथ में जो एक्ट्रेस है वो 3rd फ्लोर से नीचे आ रहे हैं, तो बाबूजी जो है वो उनको बोलते हैं कि ऊपर 2 आत्माएं बंद है. ये मैंने आज नोटिस किया कि वो 2 आत्माएं मेंशन करता है, वो सिर्फ मंजुलिका की बात नहीं हो रही.
Oh, अच्छा.
यार डूड, ही सेज ऊपर 2 आत्माएं बंद है. क्वाइट मतलब लिटरली
भूल भुलैया 3 में जो
ब्रो दे लिटरली डिडंट हैव, लाइक उनके पास प्रॉपर सेगवे था फ्रॉम भूल भुलैया 1 टू भूल भुलैया 2. 2 आत्माएं अगर वो बोलता है तुमने मंजुलिका को केटर कर लिया भूल भुलैया 1 में, तो तुम दूसरी आत्मा को केटर कर सकते थे भूल भुलैया 2 में.
Wow, dude. Yeah, why did he say 2? It's crazy.
एग्जैक्टली, लाइक नाउ यू थिंक कि दूसरी क्यों, कौन था दूसरा.
You're sure of this?
आज अभी देखा है मैंने.
That's
If you're wrong,
crazy.
the
Wow.
comment section is going crazy, huh? Right?
Yeah, dude, I never noticed this. That's crazy.
Bro,
dude.
that's what I'm saying कि अभी मैं एक रील देख रहा था जिसमें दे लाइक कि एक जो गाना है जब वो शादी की सेलिब्रेशन हो रही है, उसके अंदर अवनी विद्या बालन का कैरेक्टर जान के इसके राजपाल यादव के कैरेक्टर के सामने नहीं आता, बिकॉज इन द फिल्म the only character that has seen Avni as Manjulika is Rajpal Yadav.
Correct, you're right. That's why he goes crazy.
Yeah, no other character in the film has seen Avni as Manjulika other than Rajpal Yadav. And उस गाने में when Rajpal Yadav is walking, Avni पीछे से जाके देखती है कि राजपाल आ रहा है तो वो पीछे चली जाती है. Because he's the only one who's seen Avni as Manjulika.
That is crazy.
Dude, crazy. That's what, like crazy
But
writing.
also, she wasn't actually a ghost though.
But she was the one who was there, no?
So he too can get freaked out. Anyone
Yeah.
lose their mind or anything. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. So yeah, dude, what a time. What is this?
Became
so,
a mini Bhool
so
Bhulaiya
in
podcast.
comparison, then, okay, in comparison, what do you think the starkest differences between movies of say 2024, 2025 and movies of 2007?
Stark is different. As I said कि I think हम लोग हीरो ट्रीटमेंट, स्पॉटलाइट ट्रीटमेंट, रिवॉल्विंग द स्टोरी अराउंड वन पर्सन ज्यादा कर रहे हैं. एंड दैट इज व्हाट हम लोग उस दिन ये भी बात कर रहे थे ना कि शायद इसी वजह से द ensemble कास्ट, द कैरेक्टर एक्टर्स, द कॉमेडियन, द विलन, ये सब खत्म होता जा रहा है धीरे धीरे.
Bro, I don't know, man. I think just there was a certain softness in our movies. back
Yeah.
then. Now that
हाइपर माचोइज्म बनता जा रहा है हमारा फिल्म.
Do you think there is a factor of politics, like not politics in films, but how people are, how in everyday life now politics is seeped in a little bit more in our everyday life than it was back in 2007. Would you agree in that aspect? So in a sense, what I'm trying to say is
I know what you're saying, that
people are a little more watered down in general with their thought process about what they think will work because of that, because they're like,
Yeah.
there's a little being afraid, they're too afraid to offend
take a
anyone,
risk, yes.
to offend
Yeah.
and
Look, all
risk
the-
anyone.
So all three of us work in and around the entertainment industry,
yeah.
and I think in all of our experiences we have come across an example where creators have not been able to say wholeheartedly what they want to say because they are afraid that somebody might take offense to something, right?
So मतलब like politics से ज़्यादा it's मतलब like politics might not be the right word for it. I think the
उसको जो कहते हैं
bigger
फूक के कदम रखना.
bigger issue at hand is probably the tolerance of the general socio political scenario, the general tolerance of people that मतलब या तो वो है ना कि मतलब मैं आपको उस दिन एक सीरीज आपको मैं उस दिन सजेस्ट कर रहा था कि एक पिक्चर देखते हैं और उसमें ये देखते हैं कि किस किस चीज पे हम लोग आज ऑफेंस ले सकते हैं, निकाल सकते हैं.
That's a great exercise.
Bro, that's a great exercise.
Very
मतलब,
funny exercise, yeah.
Fun fact, so Anurag Kashyap had 3 releases this
oh
year.
yes, and stark differences. भाई एक
Three
एक
releases.
No
पिक्चर
smoking.
So No Smoking was one.
Return of Hanuman.
Return of Hanuman. Black
Friday.
Friday also released this year, even though it was completed since I think 2004 or 5.
Oh.
भाई
But the courts
रिटर्न
gave
ऑफ
it.
हनुमान और नो स्मोकिंग और ब्लैक फ्राइडे भाई बर्मुडा ट्रायंगल के
Ah,
3
bro,
कोने
makes-
भाई.
Makes no sense, dude. Yeah.
Also, shout out to 3 other films that came out this year. One was Manorama 6 Feet Under,
Yeah, of course.
which is one of my favorite films.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think probably Abhay Deol's best performance.
Oh, yeah?
Deepa Mehta's Water,
Oh,
starring John
yes.
John
Abraham,
Abraham, yeah.
Yes.
came out this year. It was not. I mean, we talk about how we are whatever intolerant or something now. इस फिल्म को इंडिया में शूट करने की परमिशन नहीं मिली थी,
Yeah.
तो उन्होंने श्रीलंका में शूट करी थी.
Oh, yeah?
But the film released in India.
Yeah.
And Namesake by Meera Nair.
Bro,
Irfan
Namesake
and
has
Tabu.
been out of all these films मैंने Namesake नहीं देखी है अभी तक.
Please
Oh,
watch
अच्छा.
it.
Bro,
Lovely.
Namesake has been on my list since I've known Irfan.
This is Irfan Khan.
Right.
Yeah, correct, of course.
बस क्यों नहीं देख पाया हूँ मैं for some reason मुझे पता ही नहीं है.
Also this year, fucking Jab We Met.
Yeah, oh dude.
man.
Fucking
Bro.
Jab We Met, dude.
दुनिया की हर लड़की को एक कैच फ्रेज देने वाली मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ.
Dude, I would say actually from this year, one of the most talked about and watched films.
Iconic, yeah.
Iconic.
Yeah,
I'm
dude.
surprised
But
it's
not-
not in the top 10.
Exactly, dude. Not one of the top 10 grossers of the year.
But Jab We Met, dude, like Kareena, I think has told the story famously in a lot of her interviews where she was like, कि she was not going to do Jab We Met.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because she was preparing for
Tashan.
Tashan. And she was on this
Size zero.
diet to get into like size 0. This was the first time this was happening. They were planning to market it. Chaliya Chaliya जो गाना आया था.
Tashan का soundtrack.
हाँ तो
But movie जितनी बेकार है.
देखिए.
so apparently Shahid Kapoor was not doing very well in his career and Kareena was obviously like the top
Rising star,
person. Yeah, ठीक है. So and they were obviously dating at that time. So Shahid actually went to Kareena trying to convince her कि भाई प्लीज जब वी मेट कर ले जस्ट फॉर लाइक माई सेक. ठीक है.
Really?
या
और करीना ने ये तो नहीं बोला अपने इंटरव्यू में पता का शाहिद begged me.
नहीं
she
not
might have, I don't know.
शायद begged me नहीं बोला होगा उसने बट लाइक कि शाहिद बेसिकली ट्राइड कन्विंसिंग हर कि तुम ये कर लो जब वी मेट कर लो वेयर शी वाज लाइक कि बट माय प्रायोरिटी विल ऑलवेज बी टशन. इट्स लाइक अ बिग बजट YRF फिल्म एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा एंड ही वाज लाइक कि नहीं अच्छा तुम
And
ये
the
भी
outcome,
कर लो
yeah.
साथ में.
Yeah,
तो
yeah,
देन करीना फेमसली सेज दैट जब वी मेट वाज अ फिल्म दैट आई टुक अप for personal reasons and Tashan was a film that I took up for professional reasons and turns out in my life Tashan became my personal reasons ka
Saif,
film
I
with
met Saif,
Saif. She met Saif there and Jab We Met became a cult. तो
Professionally,
ऐसा अक्षय कुमार but yeah imagine dude Kareena was not ready to do like she
Jab
was
We
not
Met, yeah.
gonna do Jab We Met.
It's hard to imagine.
हार्ड टू
anybody else.
मतलब
Absolutely,
आई थिंक करीना ने इंडस्ट्री को और सारी लड़कियों को जो बॉलीवुड देखती हैं दो सबसे आइकॉनिक कैरेक्टर्स दे दिए भाई लाइंस कोट
but
करने.
to
वो
think-
बॉलीवुड की टेलर स्विफ्ट है भाई.
दो कैरेक्टर कौन से?
भाई पू और गीत भाई.
पू और गीत. Okay.
But to think
Hey,
that
man.
it could have been
Chill.
to think that it could have been either it could have been someone else playing the character of Geet and doing as well a job and having then that career graph
It
maybe, right?
might have been a good film, but it wouldn't have been so iconic.
Maybe. Or it might never even have been made if Kareena wasn't involved.
probably.
The thing is ना भाई कि once an actor does an iconic role ना like or does a role जो बाद में iconic बन जाता है then it is hard to imagine anybody else in those shoes.
Yeah, man.
That's true. Of course.
For example,
Yeah.
मुन्ना भाई में fuck your bartender
Sorry, what?
insert that you are about to do. But anyway,
What the fuck?
but जैसे मुन्ना भाई में now you cannot imagine शाहरुख खान as मुन्ना भाई.
Hey, circuit.
And also famously Circuit was not supposed to be a part of Munna Bhai franchise.
What? Really?
Yeah. Circuit was not supposed to be there. So वैसे ही I think Kareena after Kareena I don't think you can imagine anybody as Poo
Bro,
or
I'm just
Geet.
imagining. Thank God Kareena did it, because otherwise Imtiaz would have made it a few years later with Nora Fateh. Okay.
Nora Fateh, Sara Ali Khan.
Yeah, one of those.
Yeah, dude.
But you said something right now,
Jab
right?
bhi
Something about, what did you just say?
Characters become iconic.
Iconic
उसके
characters. कि
जब
अपना
भी
कुछ
मैंने
प्लग
awesome.
मत करना
नहीं
जबरदस्ती
अपना
का.
नहीं प्लग कर रहा हूँ, कुछ और बोलने वाला था मैं. Something about Amir.
आमिर के बारे में तो कुछ
हाँ
नहीं
नहीं
बोला.
you said कि Shahrukh, right, was
हाँ.
supposed to be casting Munna Bhai MBBS, and then recently Amir in an interview said that Gandhigiri was supposed to be a separate film that Raju Hirani
Yeah.
was doing.
Yes,
That was supposed to be
yes.
offered to Amir,
Yes.
and then it became Munna Bhai 2.
Yeah.
Like Munna Bhai. And I was checking Amir's new YouTube channel, Amir Khan Productions ka. Bro, you remember last or the episode before this, we were talking about how they've done a round table with Veer and
Yeah,
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 correct,
yeah.
correct.
Bro, now they have
Correct. I saw this.
Amir reacting
to their own content.
thing, and so they're making
They
content
just started the channel.
and making more
Let's-
content by having Amir react to their content.
The channel is barely 2 months old. They're already, the way they're creating content is Amir reacted to their own content, which is crazy. But ठीक है भाई, whatever was.
आमिर दूसरे हफ्ते में has it aged well?
Yeah. Yeah, really.
And then
Abbas has got us plugging his show now.
and then at the end he reacts to the whole thing and he's like, पर ये वीर और अक्षत ये सब इतना इंग्लिश में क्यों बात कर रहे हैं? अपनी ऑडियंस है, हमको हिंदी में बात करना चाहिए.
अबे यार आमिर एडिट होने से पहले नहीं देख रहा था क्या? अपलोड होने से पहले नहीं देखा इसने?
ये मैं उनको नोट दूंगा.
But yeah, Amir is full content creator.
Amir is
After
like
Lal Singh.
Another fucking great and very fondly remembered multi-starrer or with multiple plot lines anthology, Salaam-e-Ishq, this year.
वो मैंने सलामे इश्क नहीं देखी
Salaam
आज
Ishq is
तक.
very average, bro. You really like it that much?
No, but it's very remember
Great
very
music.
fondly. Yeah, remember very fondly.
So I was thinking
and
this.
some of the loved
Stories.
stories are quite nice.
Yeah, so I was once recently going back home in an auto and मैं YouTube पे like it was playing autoplay और सलाम इश्क का गाना आया वो अदनान से
दर्द है.
and I was thinking, bro, I agree, like I am saying Salaam Ishq was an average film, but I'm like, today if it came out I would take a Salaam Ishq over anything that's playing in the
Yeah,
ब्रो
multiplexes
वही
right
ना
now.
चीजें इतनी नीचे गिर चुकी हैं
Yeah.
कि मतलब तारारंपम बहुत बढ़िया फिल्म है भाई. आप लोग मानो चाहे ना मानो.
Govinda also had 2 films in this year, Salaam-e-Ishq and Partner.
And Partner.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
true.
Dude, Partner is a fucking मतलब गोविंदा in his element, Salman in his element,
David
David
Dhawan.
Dhawan in his element.
It was a comeback for Govinda and David Dhawan.
Yeah,
It was, absolutely.
yeah, and they aced it.
Yes.
Absolutely. मतलब मैं तो कहूँगा वरुण धवन को मत बनाओ गोविंदा को ही एक और बार ले लो पिक्चर में. मतलब I think गोविंदा also needs to like let go of the lead actor image, I guess, at this point. अगर वो because Kill में गोविंदा was very good.
Huh?
Kill
Kill
Dil.
Dil.
Kill Dil, हाँ, sorry.
Not like what 10-12 years ago.
Yeah.
right?
हाँ मतलब कि मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि गोविंदा is a fine actor.
Yeah.
He's been very good in all the films that he's done जिसमें उसने like he's acted his age.
He
Dude,
just
also
needs to
before-
just needs to be careful while cleaning his gun.
Sure.
Yeah,
Also, before the Govinda comedy era, he was a very serious actor.
Yeah, dude.
Swarg.
Swarg, bro.
He could absolutely
Also a
still
David
do
Dhawan
that.
film. by
Also a David Dhawan film, yes.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah.
So he could absolutely still do that, dude. I don't know. It's so easy.
इन्हें माफ कर दो. इन्हें माफ कर दो.
Another film that I think does not get as much love as it should. This director made a movie this year. Honeymoon Travels Private Limited. रीमा काकड़ी's first
Oh,
film.
yes.
ये भी नहीं देखी यार
Fun
मैंने.
movie नहीं देखी तूने?
Dude, very,
It's a
very
very
fun.
आप लोगों ने
Very
स्पॉइलर दे दिया
fun.
था मेरे को हनीमून ट्रैवल्स का पॉडकास्ट पे.
2007 में आई थी.
हाँ मतलब मैं ये नहीं
Spoiler क्या था?
पता नहीं वो कुछ ऐसा
they were they're superheroes.
सुपर
That's
हीरो.
barely a spoiler, bro. It won't matter to your experience of the film. Yeah.
Little bit it'll matter. Because it's a
सजना
remake.
दीवारी वारी जाऊं जी मैं सजना दी. Bro, banger songs,
I
bro.
know.
वो भी गाना इसका ना दिल की कहानी सुनो
हाँ।
एक लड़का था
एक लड़की थी.
वो भी तो गाना है हल्के हल्के
रंग छलके
ये नहीं सुना मैंने.
अब क्या होने को है.
What a man, the songs.
Oh dude, great.
सलामेश
Amy Mann was awesome in this.
गानों से ही मेरे को याद है सलामेश का ही है ना वो तेनू
Yeah,
लेके
of course.
मैं
Of course.
जाऊंगा.
Most famous.
या द मोस्ट
fucking,
दुनिया के सारे
wedding song.
ग्रूम्स इसी
Yeah, correct.
गाने पे आते
Yeah,
हैं.
I was also very tempted.
कीर्ति वाज लाइक नहीं.
Yeah. No, she would.
Also, honorable mention as usual. Shit movie, great songs has to have Imran Hashmi. The song,
Avarapan!
Avarapan was not this year. The Train.
The Train.
Avarapan was this year,
Avarapan was
bro.
also this year.
I don't know, 2008.
Are you serious?
I'm pretty sure 2008.
No, Avarapan was 7.
Dude,
No,
I'm
it's
pretty
not.
sure Avarapan is 2008.
I'll have to check.
मैं ऐसा कर रहा हूँ, Google
कोई नहीं, गूगल बिजी थोड़ी आएगा.
Avarapan was 2007.
It
मैं
was
कह रहा ब्रो
2007.
2007 है Avarapan.
Whoa.
Bro.
Imran
उस
bhai
सीक्वल
giving
अनाउंस हुआ है
bangers.
ब्रो
Dude,
इस साल.
yeah.
Avarapan 2
I think another thing worth discussing on some episode
is Imran Hashmi and songs.
Imran
bro.
Hashmi and songs,
I
and
know,
we,
yeah.
we should pit his movies against each other. Which one has the greatest? Because
Greatest
I'm sure
soundtrack, yeah.
Avarapan is right up there.
Right
dude.
up there, bro.
Right
Right
up
up
there.
there.
Every song is a fucking.
मतलब
banger.
मैं उस दिन एक रील देख रहा था कि उसमें पहले ऋतिक रोशन डांस कर रहा है, फिर उसके बाद टाइगर श्रॉफ डांस कर रहा है, एंड पीपल आर लाइक कि दीस पीपल नीड टू डांस टू मेक अ सॉन्ग hit
Yeah.
and viral, and then there is
Imran
Lord Imran
just
who just walks. Bro, crazy.
Dude, our songs have also deteriorated like
big
hell.
time.
भाई
bro.
बिग टाइम, भाई
It is
बिग
so
टाइम.
sad to see the state of songs.
द थिंग इज कि आज भी अगर आप अंताक्षरी खेलो तो आपका माई नी माई मुंडे से तेरी ही गाते हो आप
भाई,
मुझसे भाई.
2015 के बाद तो शायद कोई गाने याद ही नहीं है मुझे.
So do you
ऐसे.
think that as technology,
Do you think that's just us growing old? Anyway, sorry.
do you think as technology in music becomes more better and better, people become lazier and lazier with their creativity? That's why the level of
Bro,
songs go lower and lower.
This is a huge debate right now with all these softwares like Suno AI and all these coming up.
Yeah.
भाई मैं उस दिन सुनो AI ही है शायद वो
Yeah,
सॉफ्टवेयर. भाई मैंने लिटरली उसके अंदर लिरिक्स डाले, जॉनरा चूज किया, ये भाई विद इन 3 minutes
Yeah,
I
it
had
made
a
something.
song.
Yeah, correct. I've tried all that. Yeah.
Within 3 minutes I had a song.
Yeah.
And it is just absolutely crazy कि भाई मतलब मेहनत, मतलब आई एम श्योर प्रॉम्प्ट्स डालने में भी मेहनत होगी, बट देन डूड फिर तेनू लेके मैं जाऊंगा नहीं बन पाएगा.
Dude, so exactly. So one thing apparently right now that AI music generators have a problem with is creating the
Yeah.
hook of the song. Okay,
Okay.
like Tennu le, that's the chorus, the hook of
Yeah,
the song.
yeah.
Right? So AI can't do that. It won't make repetitive.
Yeah, but it's about
these kind of things.
It's about
matter of
time.
time.
It's
Yeah,
a matter of
exactly, that's
time.
what I'm
By
saying.
next
Also,
year
it
this
is.
time.
I think T series ने केस भी किया है ओपन AI के ऊपर कि भाई तुम लोग परमिशन लेके करो यार, ये सब चीजें ऐसे मतलब ऐसा मत घुस जाओ अंदर.
Dude, also there is an argument to be made that Akshay Kumar, right, has been doing the same amount of films almost every year.
भाई मतलब वही ना, हम
since
अभी हम
forever.
ये बात कर रहे हैं कि 2007 से 2025 में क्या क्या चीजें चेंज हुई हैं.
Yeah, correct.
बट एक चीज जो कांस्टेंट रही है
Is Akshay Kumar
वो है
movies.
कंटेंट
Number.
कुमार एंड
Yeah.
खिलाड़ी कुमार रिलीजिंग 4 films a year. As we speak, अगले हफ्ते अक्षय कुमार की फिल्म आने
Yes.
वाली है.
So just
Actually
counting
true.
Akshay's movies this year again
This
was
year.
2007 was Welcome, Bhool Bhulaiya, Namaste London,
Hey Baby.
Hey Baby.
and
That's
he had a cameo.
In Om Shanti Om. In Om Shanti.
Hilarious
Killer
scene.
cameo, cameo, yeah.
Hilarious
Yes.
scene.
Yeah. Again, a
great.
cameo I don't think we can do today.
That cameo? Oh,
Yeah.
there's no chance.
Yeah.
You're 100% right, dude.
No, we can't.
It'll be
I
an
don't
indie
think
movie
so,
that does
bro.
it. But not a mainstream movie like Om Shanti Om. No chance.
Kyun?
No chance.
Bro,
Dude, you know.
You put a gun in your
And so-
pelvis and do this.
Yeah, would you rather question का इतना बनता था भाई? Would you rather put
अश्लील।
a gun in your pants or not do that?
बड़ी हंसी आ रही है
बहुत सही कैमियो था वो.
Yeah, but
उसकी टीम में तू, उसकी ये अवार्ड मेरा है.
So then that also. So now he in his
Element.
in what he's saying is not wrong.
Yeah.
But he's not understanding the problem people are having with him with what he's doing.
Out of these also 3 are like pretty much out and out comedies, right? Bhool Bhulaiya, Hey Baby and
Bhulbhulaiya is not out and out
Yeah,
comedy,
it's
dude.
less-
What the fuck?
But he's playing the funny guy, right?
Sure.
मतलब
Him and Rajkumar Rao. Sorry, Rajkumar Yadav.
राजकुमार राव तो बढ़िया था उसमें.
Namaste London is the more,
Rajkumar Yadav, sorry.
Namaste London is a rom-com.
Yeah.
And yeah, but now he just does the same thing.
But इस साल भी अक्षय की एक बारी देखें इस साल कौन सी आ रही हैं अभी
इस
तक
साल
है
सारी
0.
सीक्वल्स आ रही हैं ब्रो.
नहीं,
Welcome to the Jungle, Jolly Jollibee 2, Kesari 2.
Skyforce
आके चली गई.
आगे चली गई.
Kesari 2.
केसरी 2, वेलकम टू द जंगल व्हिच इज
it
वेलकम
coming
3. मतलब दे आर सेइंग कि
Yeah.
पिक्चर बन
So, you
चुकी
know,
है.
like I was watching a video about the state of Bollywood right now, right? They are in such a bad state, okay, where movies are just not.
Yeah,
working.
they're not
Whatever
working.
they do, they're just not working.
Yeah.
The only thing that is working, and it is so sad to see, fucking sequels. Okay, so that's why Bhool Bhulaiya 3 is there. Kesari, they had to retrofit
Yeah.
the story with the
एक्चुअल
title.
में उसका नाम कुछ और था.
You know, right now, as we speak, fucking Kartik Aaryan is doing a movie with the Bhatt camp. Okay? And he wants Ashiki 3.
Bro, he's not doing it with the Bhatt camp. That's
Because
the
of
fucking
this.
problem. No, I'll tell you. So, एक तो भाई, okay, this is my understanding of what is happening right now. Kartik Aaryan was supposed to do an Ashiki 3. इन्होंने अनाउंस करी थी Ashiki 3
Okay.
with Kartik Aaryan. ठीक है?
Because firstly, he is trying to bag all these
All
sequel
the
names.
sequel names, probably.
Because
ठीक
those
है?
are the only things that are
Yeah.
working for him. Anything
IP.
that is originalish is not working at all.
तो मतलब उसकी चंदू चैंपियन सही थी. Like it
Didn't work.
it didn't work.
bro,
Yeah.
yeah.
But anyway, so coming to what is happening. By any chance आप लोगों के Instagram पे आशिकी 3 के शूट के रील्स आ रहे हैं? Dude, मेरे Instagram पे एंड आई एम श्योर आप लोग बताना कमेंट्स में अगर आप अभी तक सुन रहे हो तो.
उसकी shooting हो गई है?
ब्रो उसकी शूटिंग चल रही है आई थिंक थाईलैंड में या बैंकॉक में.
Okay?
वहाँ पे आशिकी 3 के लुक में इसकी हो रही होता BTS वीडियोस फैंस ने क्लिक करी वीडियोस वो इंस्टाग्राम पे वायरल हो रही हैं. नाउ आई थिंक दिस इज अ मार्केटिंग एंड PR थिंग. व्हाई? बिकॉज they officially don't have the title Ashiki 3.
Yeah, so they are forcing the media.
Yeah, they are forcing the
Fucking-
social media. They are forcing the
Are
fans.
you sure of this?
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. वही मैं कह रहा हूँ. This is my understanding.
That's crazy, dude.
Because
Wow.
ये मुझे पता है that they don't have the title.
Oh.
मुझे
But then what about the movie that was announced? You said they
so
announced.
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ कि उन्होंने अनाउंस किया था but then I think the
That's damn
fallout
shady.
happened.
If that is true, it's so
So
shady.
मुझे
dude.
ऐसा लग रहा है कि they had a fallout and Ashiki 3 is with the Bhatt camp. The title, the Ashiki IP.
brand IP.
Yeah, and the film is being made by T-Series at this point. तो वो उनसे I think खरीदने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं and then Bhatt Camp has said no. ठीक है? तो now because they don't officially have Ashiki 3, Instagram पे they are flooding it by fans saying कि वो Ashiki 3 का shooting undergoing या etc
So they're
etc.
basically forcing the Bhatt camp to agree to their terms.
नहीं फोर्सिंग द भट्ट कैंप भी हो चाहे ना हो बट लोगों के माइंड में तो ये बन गया ना कि इस
आशिकी
लुक
3
में कार्तिक की आशिकी 3 आ रही है. फिर वो उस फिल्म का कोई भी नाम दे दें.
They should call it Ashiki. Ashiki 3.
So apparently they cannot call it anything related to
Ashiki.
like yeah.
How can you trademark a word?
मतलब मुझे क्या पता होगा कुछ लीगैलिटी भाई.
you can, dude.
मतलब आई थिंक तुम मेरी आशिकी हो ये हो वो ये सब आई थिंक दे कांट यूज इट.
Movies, you can. In movie titles and all, you can take the word.
No, but if I call it Ashiki, then how
Oh,
can
that
you
you
sue
can't.
me?
But that's a bad name for a movie, dude. Why would you want that?
आशिकी क्यूब.
Ashiki, why would you want that? Dude?
आशिकी क्यूब.
Nobody's watching a movie called Ashiki. There's a reason why they're not doing it.
अगर शाहरुख खान इसका नाम रखे तो आशिकी की.
I just saw Dar yesterday. In
Oh
theater
yeah,
again,
yeah.
dude.
Yes.
What a
Does
time.
it hold up? Has it aged well?
Absolutely, yes. Firstly, yes, absolutely. Please watch the episode of As Rage.
I haven't done a Dar episode.
You haven't done a Dar episode?
No, I haven't. Didn't
What?
do a
You
Dar
crazy?
episode. Yeah.
Let's do it here, Abbas. Let's discuss has
insane, dude.
Dar aged well.
Dude, you wrote
We
down-
should. We should.
Consider like talking about Dar. I crossed paths with Sunny Deol yesterday.
Oh yeah, tell us about
Yesterday.
that.
Yesterday.
While I was watching Dar, you
While
were
you were watching Dar,
That is
I
insane,
was
dude.
crossing
What
paths.
time? What time in the evening?
Bro,
What did- right?
9ish.
Hey bro, yeah, mine was a 9:55 show.
Yeah, I think 9:30 around. So I
हाँ
think
यार.
कल ना जाट जो उनके Sunny
So
Deol
Sunny
की.
has 2 films running in theaters right now.
Yeah,
Dar and
Dar.
Oh
Jat.
yeah, Dar and Jat. And apparently Jat is a mass entertainer sort of a film. Anyway, so I think Jat का कल वो था press show या premiere celeb premiere होता है. तो he was coming back from that.
Oh,
ठीक है
okay.
क्योंकि जिन कपड़ों में मैंने उनको देखा वो ही कपड़े प्रीमियर में पहने हुए हैं. सो डूड इट्स सो फनी. इट इज सो फकिंग फनी कि कैसे लाइक वी क्रॉस्ड पाथ्स. मेरा घर का रास्ता जूहू क्रॉस करके ही आता है. ठीक है, तो मैं उस गली से निकल रहा था जिस गली में सनी देओल का घर भी है.
Yeah.
ठीक है, विच इज अपेरेंटली लाइक वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव lanes of Mumbai.
Correct.
ठीक है, एज अ सिटी 100-200 करोड़ के घर टाइप्स होंगे वहां पे.
yeah.
ठीक है भाई, पूरी खुदी हुई है. पूरी खुदी हुई है वो रोड. ठीक है, पूरी की पूरी.
The BMC has, by the way, announced that by the end of 2026, all Mumbai roads will be perfect, guys.
Just
You were saying the era of comedies is gone. Anyway, so वो पूरी रोड खुदी हुई है. बट मुझे कहाँ पता था भाई, मैं रोज थोड़ी रोड से जाता हूँ. ठीक है, तो मैंने लेफ्ट ले लिया और मेरी गाड़ी अटक गई वहां पे. सनी देओल की भी गाड़ी वहीं अटकी थी, ठीक है, एंड देन ही हैड टू वॉक बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली गाड़ी नहीं जा पा रही थी.
So he got out of his
ठीक है,
car.
तो he got out of his car to get to his house, and I am like trying to.
So in this scenario, you're in a car and superstar Sunny Deol is on the road trying to get
Yeah,
to
who
his
just got down from a 2 crore car. And I was in my 7 lakh rupees ka Baleno.
What does he drive? What does his driver drive?
होगी भाई कोई रेंज रोवर डिफेंडर
Oh, तूने देखी नहीं गाड़ी?
नहीं मतलब इट वाज लाइक अ ह्यूज एसयूवी
Okay.
फ्रॉम अफार. तो भाई लोग भीड़ आ गए, पैप्स आ गए एंड ऑल दैट, लाइक पीपल वर ट्राइंग टू क्लिक पिक्चर्स. तो उसका जो ड्राइवर था भाई फुल डिपर मार रहा था कि फोटोज ठीक से. आई वाज टॉकिंग, सनी देओल वाज टॉकिंग ऑन द फोन एंड देन ही लाइक वॉकड इन एंड आई एम लाइक तेरी गाड़ी भी यहीं फंसी है, मेरी गाड़ी भी यहीं फंसी है. लव मुंबई,
Sorry.
लव मुंबई, दोनों को सेम लेवल में लाके खड़ा कर दिया है.
So yeah, dude, like.
Tell us
fantastic
your
2007.
favorite 2007 movies in the comments.
And what do you think or what do you miss from from that era of Bollywood that you would love to see in today's this era of Bollywood?
What if someone watching this was born in 2008?
I mean, you
They'd
can still
still
go
be
back
17
and
मतलब
You
भाई
think-
मेरे
you
को भी
think
दीवार पसंद है भाई.
yeah, और 2008 में क्यों उन्होंने चक्के
क्या हो
देखे
गया
हुए
भाई,
हैं
नहीं पैदा हुआ था मैं 1975 में.
ठीक है, अच्छी बात है.
हाँ. Yeah.
75 is also like a very good
We should
year
do a
for
75
Bollywood.
episode.
75 is a very good
Yeah,
year.
very good year.
अमिताभ बच्चन ने ऐसा किल कर दिया था भाई, पॉइंट ब्लैंक.
Rishikesh Mukherjee had 3
Rishi
films.
Mukherjee, yes.
Amitabh Bachchan had 3 films. I think
Yes.
Dharmendra had 3 films. Jaya Bhaduri had 3-4 films.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, let's do this then as a closing off. If there was one franchise, we often talk about we hate sequels, we hate franchises.
वही मैं बोल रहा था ना, originality बोल
हाँ.
के फिर.
Correct.
Anyway,
नहीं,
what's
yeah.
your
सीक्वल बनाओ बट ओरिजिनल.
like Kesari 2?
Like Kesari 2.
Your argument eats itself. If you had to see a non-sequelized movie
Sequel.
from 2007 be made into one.
Like part 2 but not related to part 1.
No. Like
Then?
one that hasn't been made into a sequel already, like Bhool Bhulaiya. It doesn't already have a sequel from the year
Which
2007.
sequel would you like to see?
Yeah,
is your
from the year
question.
2007, which already doesn't have a sequel. That's what I said.
हाँ, okay. So which sequel do you want to see?
Yeah.
But not.
अरे
समझ गया.
बस एक लाइन का क्वेश्चन है, क्या हो गया भाई.
अरे इतना कंफ्यूज कर रहे हो. Sequel that has no sequel. You start.
That's like.
I think I'd go. I think we've discussed this before, and मेरा उस दिन का choice was also from the year 2007. So I think Namaste London would be my pick.
Namaste England, but है ना.
Oh हाँ, वो बन गई थी उसकी fuck she.
Also, I would say Patiala House is also kind of a sequel to Namaste London.
No,
Sort
not
of.
at
It's
all.
It's kind of the same
Not
movie,
at
guys.
all.
Yeah.
कैसे?
Not even a little bit, dude.
कहाँ से?
वही है यार, लंदन
नहीं
में बसी हुई
अच्छा,
है.
अक्षय कुमार
वही-
सेम है तो फिर तो भूल भुलैया भी सीक्वल ही है.
मेन तो उसका तात्पर्य यही है ना कि भाई अंग्रेज हो तो भी तो तुमको हिंदुस्तानियत अपनी जिंदा रखनी चाहिए.
That
भाई
is the
उसमें
plot of so many
सपने-
movies.
That's what I'm saying. But Patiala
Dhanaradan
House.
Goal is exactly the same film.
Which
Also
released in
2007.
2007 by the way.
Dude, I love that
I
movie.
love the film.
what do you think of
Boman
Dhanaradan
Irani
Goal?
plays
What have
Sir
you
Alex
seen
for
it?
what?
You know the Dhanaradan Goal? Dude, it's actually very fun. I would really like to watch
like
it.
the only team where Messi and Ronaldo play for the same team.
Ashwaz,
Boman
And,
Irani
John
plays Sir
Abraham.
Alex Ferguson. It is crazy. भाई crazy ही है एकदम Dhanaradan. कहो तो भी जान दे दूं. भाई बहुत क्रेजी है. हिंदुस्तान छोड़ा है, हिंदुस्तानियत नहीं. ओए होए 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 भाई क्रेजी. नोबडी क्वेश्चंस कि वो एकदम से कैसे आ गया टीम में अचानक जब वो लाइनअप में अनाउंस नहीं हुआ था. बट देन बिकॉज उसने अच्छा डायलॉग मारा तो इट इज अलाउड.
So you would like to see Namaste London?
Namaste
What about
London,
you?
crazy. And with the same cast, continuing the same story,
Got it.
for sure.
I would love to see Dhamal 2, I think.
धमाल 2 और धमाल 3 बन चुके हैं, अब धमाल
क्या
4
बात
बन
कर
रही है.
No idea, dude.
Bro, it was called Double Dhamal, then
Oh, yeah, of
Total
course.
Dhamal, and
Oh,
now
yeah, of
up
course,
now
you're right.
Dhamal 4.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Let me check. What else?
चक दे इंडिया
क्या
2
है
देखते हैं भाई.
Chak De India 2 could be something.
Did Hey Baby get a sequel?
Bro, I would love to see Om Shanti Om 2. It would be even funnier now because they
तीसरा
know.
जन्म.
Huh?
तीसरा जन्म.
तीसरा जन्म. Oh, apparently Krish 3 is Krish 4 is triple role.
अच्छा.
अपना बाप बेटा and पोता.
Oh, I guess so, bro.
Also,
they've
Divik,
already shown like 3 generations. Krish 3 में double role already था, तो द रूमर्स आर कि अब उस क्रिश 3 में डबल रोल था ना भाई.
हाँ क्या मेरे को याद भी नहीं है यार.
भाई वो
क्रिश 2 में तो आई मीन क्रिश में भी तो डबल रोल है. ही प्लेज द फादर एंड द सन.
हाँ ट्रिपल रोल कहाँ से आ गया?
क्रिश 3 मुझे पता
क्रिश
नहीं.
3 में भी डबल रोल है.
डबल रोल तो है ही.
हाँ
Triple role
तो
रहेगा.
क्रिश 4 में कह रहे हैं कि ट्रिपल रोल
role
होगा.
होगा. Deepika has joined King, the cast of King.
Now literally yesterday I read that Deepika की जगह they have
King is the one with the daughter? Or
yeah
the
with
one
the
being
daughter,
left as the son?
and apparently they are gonna reveal the poster on Sohana's 25th birthday,
Which is when?
which is I think अभी अप्रैल में ही है.
Yeah, no, it's like Snow Still has been waiting for. कब 25 की है?
अरे what the fuck.
Aye,
बड़ा
that's
भीड़ नहीं
snail
जमाती
thoughts, not
यार
mine.
मन्नत के सामने, क्योंकि रह नहीं रहा है ना आजकल वो मन्नत में.
अभी तो हुई थी अभी हुई थी शायद ईद पे तो हुई थी.
Anyway, we should probably wrap up because now.
हाँ मतलब हम लोग
my sequel. I would love to see.
ब्लैक फ्राइडे का
to
सीक्वल.
see- No, please no.
No smoking. No
Hope
smoking.
not. Actually, yeah, no smoking.
smoking.
Too. Would
Bal
be great.
Hanuman sequel. What is that?
With,
Is the Hanuman one?
That was already a.
वो भी
it is
बन
a
चुका है.
sequel only.
Oh, अच्छा.
द रिटर्न ऑफ हनुमान ना
Return of
भाई.
Hanuman, yeah.
This is literally in the name.
It's in the name.
But no smoking too with the
No
John.
prequel. The
That's
going.
Ramayan.
नहीं Ramayan ना dude. That's what.
Which also re-released last year.
Yeah. Sorry, go ahead.
No smoking too with John in the lead and Aisha Takia returning with Anurag Kashyap, who doesn't want to make Hindi films anymore.
And who has apparently quit Bollywood.
Yeah, that's what.
Yes.
So yeah, follow us. Please subscribe to us. We don't say this enough.
अबे हाँ यार हम ये
But
हमेशा
guys-
कैसे भूल जाते हैं यार.
एडिटर जो भी है वो बीच बीच में डालते रहना, माउस आके जो सब्सक्राइब करता है.
हाँ.
So please do. And we need more subscribers so that we can put out even more content and follow us on our.
हाँ यार हम
social
लोग
media
पिछले
handles.
10 महीने से कंटेंट बना रहे हैं. हमारा वीडियो का व्यूज 8 से 10,000 के बीच में ही है दोस्तों.
तो अपने
Guys, if you are, if you have a small business that are looking to grow, okay, and you want that business to reach a maximum of 10,000 people, max to max,
Why?
not more than that.
ओ नहीं एक एपिसोड पे 11,000 भी हैं.
Max 11,000 if you're stretching it. Then you absolutely please get in touch with us.
Yes.
We love to do a shout out with you. We're trying to make this a little more monetizable
Zibble,
for
profitable
for
maybe?
ourselves. Profitable, monetizable. We are putting in a lot of money and a lot of effort into this, and hope
Yeah.
you guys.
All three
enjoy
of
this.
us are sick right now.
Yeah,
We're still recording.
We are doing
Yeah,
this.
correct.
Because we need to
just
put
for
out
you.
an episode just
Yeah.
for you guys.
So all of that, and we would absolutely be interested in doing. We can think of the collab that we want to go ahead with.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? One of my favorite podcasts used to do this. Okay, History Hyenas would be like $50. We'll plug your business. Just give us $50. So I say like give us
$50 into 84. So like 50 into 84 कितना हुआ?
5,000 rupees बोल दे.
5,000 rupees. Okay, 5,000 rupees.
5,000 rupees.
हम
we'll plug
we are
anything.
officially on sale guys.
For 5,000 rupees, we'll plug anything. Anything you want.
Also, my offer still stands.
10,000 रुपए इनको दो ये महाराजा दोबारा देखेंगे.
10,000 rupees super chat. I will rewatch Maharaja and re-review it on this.
Bro,
on
that's
this
I would take that
It'll
deal.
be crazy if his review is exactly the same. Like, यार 10,000 रुपए खर्च कर दे यार. What the fuck? It's exactly the same.
Oh dude, we are like I think 2 steps away from हम बर्तन हो जाएंगे दोस्तों. Like just like
Yes, we will plug washing bartan for you. Yeah, whatever.
Before we
5,000
start
rupees.
plugging any other things, we should wrap up this episode. Thank you so much for joining and watching it till the very end. We'll see you next week with a new topic and bye bye.
I love you 5,000 rupees. Okay.
bye.